Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Yelp reviews for your site in Wix. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company and one of those widgets they make is a Yelp review. Now you want to click on sign up for free. When you will have it, you need to sign up with Facebook or Gmail, up to you or normal mail. Then just click on login. When you click login, you'll get here on this site and let's write in a search Yelp. So you're gonna see it here, Yelp reviews, create a widget. Now you got a reviews widget or carousel grid. I would choose the reviews widget because I like it the most. Continue with the template. Now just paste the Yelp place URL. If you have it, click and then apply. You can also change the layout a little bit, review and style, change the colors if you would like them. Now then just click save. What you want to do now is really simple. Choose the plan between the pro, that's like 10 bucks a month, or basic, that's $5 a month, or go with the light version. I recommend going with like the pro version if you have many views, or just the basic. I would choose light just for showcase how you can implement it on your site. Let's click light. Now the code will appear, and here in Wix, let's just click add here, HTML, enter the code, apply. Here we got it. Really cool, really simple, really easy. So this is how you do it and this is how you edit. When I go to the preview site, let's wait until it loads. And voila, here we got perfect Yelp reviews for your company, business, or whatever project you got. So guys, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.